mud cake. So you might be wondering, what is that mud cake? Actually, to make this cake, it's like a chocolate cake, but it's with a little difference. I need butter 250 grams, 250 grams brown sugar. Along with that, I need 200 grams of cooking chocolate and cocoa. So we'll see all that we are going to use, and a little oil also, and then we start making this. First thing, I am going to put the butter, that is 250 grams butter, and of course 250 grams of brown sugar. These two we have to use. 200 grams of cooking chocolate, cocoa, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, that too I will be using. Now this cake is called mud cake, so we will see how it's going to be, and a tablespoon of oil also. All this I have added. Now we will on the cooker and keep stirring till all these things are melted. We are melting now to make this mud cake. Break the chocolate into small pieces, then it's easy to dilute and to make it easy, right? Now the chocolate has melted. Allow this, keep it for a while till I go to do the balance things. First thing, I will add the 2 eggs into the bowl and I start beating. Now what I am going to do is, we need flour 275 grams and 1.5 teaspoons baking powder and bicarbonate of soda half a teaspoon. All that together we will put into this bowl and start beating it. Now slowly I am going to add this mixture. I have mixed all these together. Now I need whipping cream. Into this, a tablespoon of whipping cream. Okay, essence, chocolate and vanilla essence. Chocolate essence I will use about half a teaspoon, and same way we will add the vanilla essence also half a teaspoon, so that it will be nice. Now this mixture is ready. See the mixture. Mixture is like this, like a soft creamy mixture. Now I need a tray for this. Line the tray with oil paper only for the bottom. Nicely butter the sides and put into a tray. 8-inch tray you can use for this quantity. Lovely. Put this mixture into an 8-inch tray and you are going to bake it. And remember, when you are baking this cake, it has to be 50 minutes. Don't over bake it. Bake it carefully and take it so that the mud cake will be nice and tasty. So we will see how it's going to be. 180 centigrades for 50 minutes. 180 centigrades for 50 minutes. See my mud cake, how it looks. We don't need a decoration as such, but I thought I'll just show you a small decoration. To make this small decoration, what we have to do is, I need a little water, just a wee bit of water to be boiled, right? Boil the water. Do a small decoration for you. There's no quantity as such. I'm just putting about 3 or 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and I'm using a little mint essence. Water is boiling, off it. So now what I'm going to do is putting a little at a time. Just putting a little bit of boiling water. A small decoration. This is glazed mint flavored decoration that we are doing. Right, that's all, and no more decoration for that, and I really don't want to decorate this also. This is my mud cake, and I hope you will enjoy preparing this, because you have to taste and see how it is. I am ready to taste also. When guests come home, I am sure you will love to make a cake like this. Though the cake name is called mud cake, it's something like a chocolate cake. So you try it out and see how it comes. And thank you very much for watching, and try it out and see the taste and comment on it. Thank you very much for watching once again.